Narrated said bin Jubair. Ibn Abbas, in the explanation of the statement of Allah, move not your tongue concerning the Quran to make haste therewith, 75.16, said Allah's apostle used to bear the revelation with great trouble and used to move his lips quickly with the inspiration. Ibn Abbas moved his lips, saying, I am moving my lips in front of you, as Allah's apostle used to move his. Said moved his lips, saying, I am moving my lips, as I saw Ibn Abbas moving his. Ibn Abbas added, So Allah revealed, Move not your tongue concerning the Quran to make haste therewith. It is for us to collect it and to give you, O Muhammad, the ability to recite it. The Quran. 75.16, 17, which means that Allah will make him, the Prophet, remember the portion of the Quran which was revealed at that time by heart, and recite it. The statement of Allah. And when we have recited it to you, O Muhammad, through Gabriel, then you follow its Quran recital, 75.18, means listen to it and be silent. Then it is for us, Allah, to make it clear to you. 75.19 means, then it is for Allah to make you recite it, and its meaning will be clear by itself through your tongue. Afterwards, Allah's apostle used to listen to Gabriel whenever he came, and after his departure, he used to recite it as Gabriel had recited it.